Hello, are you looking for a platform to distribute your music for free? You are at the right place. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. If it is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave any question in the comment box. This platform I'm talking about is known as High Vibes. With High Vibes, you can sell your music worldwide. All you have to do is create an account and distribute your music to streaming platforms such as Apple, Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, among others. To create an account as a new user, visit highvibesdistribution.com, then click sign up to initiate the process. As it loads, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. There you go. Here, you would have to enter these details that are required to create the account: your first name, your last name, email, and then a password. So let me input this name for the purpose of the studies. I then proceed to add a suitable email. That is my email that I'm entering there. And from there, I input a password. Mind you, your password should meet the requirements that have been listed beneath it. From there, you accept the terms and conditions and click continue. Here, you would have to input the name of the brand or artist that you are distributing for. So I am going to distribute for Real Beanie. So that is what I'm going to enter and click get started. We are almost done with the process, so kindly stay tuned. There you go. The account has been created successfully. But let's try to log in and see if it was created successfully. So I enter the email I used and then the same password I used in the sign up process, and I click login to confirm account creation. Let's wait patiently as it loads. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me have all questions in the comment box. As you can see, account creation was successful and I have been redirected to my dashboard where I can either invite team members, create a new release, or explore other opportunities I have on the platform. You can also customize your profile if you want to. Thank you for watching to the end. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and wait on our next episode. See you soon.